So L dot list dot append means it will add the element at the end of the list. Extend means append means we can add only one element at the end of the list. Extend means we can add more number of elements. Then insert means I'm giving some value and their index positions. In that index positions it will be inserted. Okay, then pop, if I'm without parameter I'm passing means the pop will remove the last element of the list. Pop 0 means we can pass the index position also. Then remove means it will remove the first occurrence of the particular character. Okay, the remaining occurrence will be leaved like this, will be leaved as such. Then clear means it will clear all the items present in the list. Okay, so clear and remove, there is a difference. Clear means it will only remove all the items present in the list or the dictionary. Delete means it will remove the structure also. After removing all the items, it will remove the structure also. So after executing the delete command, if you go and once again if you go and check, it will print, it will give the error like it's not this variable is not defined. So with that we can confirm that that is the structure also deleted. Okay, we can slicing method also will be used to delete the keyword is del, and you have to specify the list name. Then it's a slicing method. The slicing method also that is already we have seen. We can modify the value using slicing method, and we can delete the elements using slicing method, or we can modify the value by passing the index position. Here the index position, what the value present in this index positions will get deleted. Okay, then reverse case. Reverse case is also possible. Reverse means it will be reverse and the sort will happen in the place itself. It won't that is the reverse and the sort functions won't create the new list. Reverse means it will print it from the last element. It will, that is in the backward direction it will be printed. All the elements in the backward direction it will be printed. Sort means it will be printed by default. It will be printed in the ascending order. But if you give reverse equal to true as a parameter, then it will be printed in the descending order. Other than tuples having, in the tuples we can find out the maximum value and minimum value from the integer. Then dictionary also we can pop the certain value. Pop means we are removing the one item. Deleting which is used to all the items. Clear also used to we can remove more than one item. Pop will remove. What is the difference between the delete and pop means delete only extract and it won't return the elements, won't show the elements what it has removed, but the pop will remove and return the item. It will show. Return means it will show the item, which item has removed. Okay, so by passing the key value we can remove from the dictionary, and here I am deleting by using the key value. I am deleting the value present in the key, and other than that we can get method which is used to get the get method. You have to pass the key and it will return the value present in that key. Then T items already told. Items means it will return both keys and values. Okay, so one more thing, and we can in the list we can create the shallow copy and deep copy. How to create the shallow copy? Shallow copy means that is I am taking two copies, Xerox, like Xerox you are taking, no? For example, the teacher is having main copy of your mark sheet and duplicate copy hand over to you. So whatever you changes, if you are making any changes in the duplicate copy, it won't reflected in the main copy which is having by the which is in the hand of teacher. Okay, deep copy means how to create the shallow copy of the list means by assigning the list name to the some other variable. So both variable point to the same location. Both variable point to the same location. Okay, so shallow copy means deep copy means separate list. Sorry, deep copy means deep copy means we are creating Xerox. It is only Xerox. Deep copy means we are maintaining the two copies. One copy is given to the hand of children and another copy is maintained by the staff. Whatever changes made by the children in their copy, it won't reflected in the teacher's copy. So in this way we are creating the deep copy. So deep copy, how to create the deep copy means by using the list keyword. Okay, suppose if you want to create shortcuts. It just like you are creating no shortcuts. Shortcut means file is somewhere, but you are creating the path and you are keeping in this. Okay, so whatever changes you made in the cell, it will affect the original copy only. It will affect the original copy since the both variables are pointing to the same location. Okay, if you are making any changes in the B, that will reflected in the same colors also, since both are variable pointing the same location. So I know and I hope you understand what is the difference in the shallow copy, deep copy. Deep copy is children is having one copy and the teachers is having one copy. Okay, shallow copy means the whatever changes made by the children, it will affect the teacher's copy only. The children making changes only in the teacher's copy. Okay, then so if you want to know what are the methods the string, tuples, dictionaries having means, so here I am specifying the tuple. Tuple means we need to specify within the parenthesis. Okay, we need to specify within the parenthesis. Here actually I am displaying the tuples, and I can see the methods present in the tuple by giving the command. It will display. So only two methods are present in the tuples, count method and the index position. Index position means if you are suppose if you are passing any value means their corresponding positions will be returned to you. Understand? Likewise we can see as well as see here I am seeing that then list. What are the methods present in the list? Okay, it will display. See, append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, insert method, pop, remove, reverse. Okay, sort method. All the methods are present in the list. Then what are the methods present in the dictionary? So if you click dot, it will come slowly. Okay, you have to wait for some minutes. So like clear method, dictionary is having clear, copy, from keys, get method, items, keys, pop item, set, default, update methods. Okay, values. Okay, then one more thing is we want to that string. str contain how many what are the built-in methods are there. So we already capitalize. Okay, then find method, we have seen that. Format, map format, index, is alphanum, is alpha, is ASCII, is decimal, is digit, is the identifier, is lower, is numeric, is printable, is space, is title. So like so many methods are there in string. So likewise we can see that. Okay, thank you.